Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and I have a Try This Tuesday for you. Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna roll like a ball on here. It's gonna reveal a lot about your rolling like a ball. So I've got 2 springs on. Not gonna lie, if that's really crazy for you and you're flying everywhere, they're heavy springs, by the way, do 3, try not to get to 4, but the ideal is 2. And you're just gonna, you and your carriage have to learn to work together. This is gonna help not just your rolling like a ball, but your overhead, your short spine, any exercise where you take your body overhead, you and the carriage should be working together, and that will translate onto the mat into a much more controlled experience in anything that rocks or rolls. So you set up at the edge. You do want to make sure you can fit, right? So I just laid down and then I sit up, and you'll notice I'm really close to the edge. Okay? So grab your feet, come into a ball. You're going to rock back and up. Okay? So we're trying to mitigate that sound. That wasn't too much sound, but we want even less than that. So I'm going to go back and up. And I'm gonna move with my springs. That one was better. A little crashy at the end, but the carriage and I are working as one. One more. That one was one of the quietest ones and the better one. So there's no such thing as perfect in Pilates, and that one there really isn't unless you have 4 springs on and then just like doing it on the mat. But you're trying to float, and what you'll notice is if your chest comes away from your legs, you're going to get stuck back there, and when you come up, the carriage is going to bang before you even sit up. So that is revealing what's happening in your ball shape. You're not keeping it together when you go back and up. You're falling apart. So I hope you give this a try, and I would love to hear how it goes in the comments below. Also, some of these this Tuesday, I put into our online Pilates classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com. And we play with different variations in our challenge. And every week we have 30-minute reformer classes and 30-minute mat classes. And we have a members only group. And you get to ask me all the questions you want, and we can talk about it. So while you can ask questions here in the comments on YouTube, you can't actually hear other people's advice like you would in the members group, which is super supportive. And you also can't show me pictures of you doing it where I could actually help you back. So I hope you check that out at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you for trying this Tuesday with me.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.